Are you ready to explore stunning Lithuania? One of Europe's most affordable destinations, where you can stretch your budget to just $20 a day. Picture this: hostel dorm beds starting at just $8 per night, mouth-watering street food from $4, zipping around on public transport for only $1, free walking tours and museum entries that won't break the bank, starting at just $2. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's dive into the 10 incredible attractions in Lithuania. And hang tight, because the attraction at the end is worth the wait. Number 1, Vilnius Old Town. Step back in time as you wander through the cobblestone streets of Vilnius's Old Town. Picture yourself exploring medieval architecture with fairy tale towers and charming narrow lanes that transport you to another era. The town square, Rotus's Aukštaitija, is perfect for people watching while sipping a coffee. Visit the stunning St. Anne's Church with its intricate brickwork and Gothic details. Don't forget to climb Gediminas Hill for panoramic views of this beautiful city. Check out the Vilnius Cathedral, a grand neoclassical building with an impressive bell tower. Discover the hidden passages and medieval artifacts at the bastion of the Vilnius defensive wall. Stroll through the enchanting Bernardine Gardens, where you'll find statues and stunning views of the city. Admire the ornate details of the Church of St. Peter and St. Paul, known for its beautiful interior and over 2,000 stucco figures. Visit the Presidential Palace, a historic building that now houses the office of the President of Lithuania. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of Pilis Street, a charming alley with artisans' workshops and medieval charm. Explore the captivating exhibits at the Palace of the Grand Dukes of Lithuania, which offers a deep dive into the history and culture of Lithuania. Marvel at the Baroque architecture of the Church of St. Casimir, which now functions as a museum and concert hall. The Gate of Dawn, a city gate with a chapel and a revered painting of the Virgin Mary. Number 2, Trakai Island Castle. Nature lovers, this one's especially for you. Get ready to be amazed. Trakai Island Castle offers lush landscapes, serene lakes, and picturesque castle views. Imagine boating through serene waters and discovering hidden coves along the way. Keep an eye out for wildlife like swans, often seen gliding across the water or moving quietly through the reeds. Wild ducks are also common in the Lithuanian wilderness, frequently spotted foraging near the water and adding to the region's rich biodiversity. Visit the charming town of Trakai within the park for a taste of local life. It's the perfect escape for all nature enthusiasts out there. And now let's step aside for a moment with a tip for travelers. Knowing what Lithuanians like and don't like can really enhance your interactions and experiences in Lithuania. Lithuanians deeply cherish their traditional sauna culture. It is often considered an integral part of their heritage and a beloved communal activity that brings people together. Lithuanians have a deep passion for basketball, and striking up a conversation about their beloved team, Žalgiris Kaunas, can greatly enhance your acceptance among the locals. Lithuanians enjoy a good drink, especially their local beers and the traditional Midas mead. On the flip side, they typically dislike intrusive behavior. They generally tend to avoid overly crowded and bustling places. Excessive small talk isn't particularly preferred by them. They really don't like being rushed or hurried. Lithuanians generally dislike ostentatious displays of wealth and prefer modesty. Gender equality is important in Lithuania, and women are highly respected in both personal and professional settings. Friendships are valued, but Lithuanians prefer a few close friends over large social circles. Understanding these preferences will help you connect better with the locals and make your visit even more enjoyable. Okay, dear friends, let's continue with our top attractions list. Number 3, Hill of Crosses. Prepare to be wowed by the Hill of Crosses, a true spiritual and historical gem. Those thousands of crosses and intricate carvings will make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Inside, the stunning views and detailed craftsmanship are enough to make even the least spiritual among us feel a touch of reverence. And when those wind chimes, you might just feel like you're in your own personal movie moment. Trust me, this is one Lithuanian landmark you don't want to miss. Number 4, Palanga Beach. Ready for some relaxation? Palanga Beach is Lithuania's top seaside hotspot where the sand is golden and the sun is always ready for a selfie. Picture yourself basking on the sandy shores, pretending you're a celebrity avoiding the paparazzi. The beach promenade is buzzing with cafes and shops, perfect for grabbing a treat or hunting for quirky souvenirs. Try your hand at beach volleyball or just lounge with a good book, soaking up the rays. It's the ultimate spot for some seaside fun and epic relaxation. And now, let's lighten the mood with a quick laugh. Ready? Why did the husband love Lithuanian museums? Because he could finally look at something older than his jokes. And his wife always added, just make sure you don't start telling them your jokes too. If you enjoyed that joke and are enjoying the video so far, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep the fun and travel tips coming. Number 5. Kaunas Castle. Get ready to feel smart just by osmosis at Kaunas Castle, Lithuania's oldest and most prestigious castle. Picture strolling through its beautiful grounds, where every brick seems to whisper historical secrets. Snap a selfie with the statue of Grand Duke Vytautas in front of the main building. It's practically a rite of passage. Don't miss the Kaunas City Museum, which is housed in the castle, blending history with education in the coolest way possible. By the end of your visit, you might just feel like you've earned an honorary degree. Number 6. Curonian Spit. Welcome to the Curonian Spit, where ancient history meets modern relaxation. Picture yourself exploring sand dunes like the impressive Parnidis Dune, standing tall since the ancient times. Curonian Spit is also famous for its unique flora and fauna, which look like they've spun right out of a storybook. Don't forget to take a dip in the Baltic Sea, where you can unwind and rejuvenate. And for a touch of mystery, visit the Hill of Witches, a site that's truly out of this world. Be sure to visit the charming Nida, where you can enjoy breathtaking views of the dunes and the sea. Number 7. Lithuanian Open Air Museum. Step into the past at the Lithuanian Open Air Museum, a charming village that brings history to life. Imagine wandering through traditional farmhouses, windmills, and chapels, all meticulously preserved to show life from centuries ago. Join a folk dance or learn a craft from friendly locals dressed in period costumes. The museum's setting in a beautiful forest by the river adds to its magical atmosphere. Number 8. Gediminas Tower. Journey to the heart of Vilnius and discover Gediminas Tower, a fortress with a fascinating history. Picture yourself standing on the battlements, gazing across the river to the modern city. The tower's museum offers a deep dive into the region's turbulent past, complete with medieval weaponry and armor. Don't miss the reenactments that bring epic battles to life, complete with clashing swords and dramatic flair. And remember, the views alone are worth the visit. Number 9. Lithuanian National Museum. Discover the soul of Lithuania at the Lithuanian National Museum in Vilnius. This modern architectural marvel houses exhibits that showcase Lithuania's rich cultural heritage. Explore interactive displays that tell stories from ancient times to the present day. Enjoy the stunning design of the museum, which blends seamlessly with the natural landscape. And now, for the grand finale, let's reveal the surprise attraction. Number 10. Aukštaitija National Park. This unique gem is a UNESCO-listed natural space, known for its vibrant ecosystems and diverse landscapes. Picture yourself exploring a park where lakes and forests maintain ancient traditions, from colorful flora to lively fauna. You'll be enchanted by the local wildlife, music of the forest, and crafts that are woven into daily life. It's like stepping into a living museum where the past and present blend seamlessly. Trust me, Aukštaitija National Park is an experience you'll never forget. And now, for our tasty bonus attraction, let's dive into Lithuanian cuisine. Picture yourself savoring a hearty bowl of cepelinai, a traditional potato dumpling that's a local favorite. Enjoy a serving of Lithuanian cold beet soup, known as salty barščiai, a vibrant and flavorful dish made with beets, cucumbers, dill, and a dollop of sour cream. Relish the comforting flavors of kugelis, a traditional potato pudding often served with a generous dollop of sour cream and bacon bits. During the holiday season, especially Christmas, you'll find kučiukai, small crunchy pastries served with poppy milk. It's a must-try for those seeking authentic Lithuanian flavors. Imagine a cold winter evening with a hearty bowl of balandėliai, cabbage rolls stuffed with meat and rice, making it the perfect comfort food. For a burst of color and flavor, try silkasų morkom, a herring salad with carrots, often served as a side dish. Fancy some marinated mushrooms? Marinuoti grybai are a delicacy often enjoyed with a tangy marinade, perfect for adventurous eaters looking to try something new. Savor the unique taste of kepta duona, fried breadsticks topped with garlic and cheese. Comfort food alert! Varska's apkapas is a cottage cheese casserole, sometimes baked to perfection. It's a simple dish that warms the heart and fills the belly. Herring is a big deal in Lithuania, and silkių patiekalai showcases this fish in all its glory. Whether pickled or prepared in other ways, it's a true taste of the Baltic. And now let's talk cheese. Lietuviškas sūris is Lithuanian cheese, and it comes in various forms. Enjoy it on its own, with bread, or in countless dishes. Don't miss out on trying gira, a traditional fermented beverage made from black bread. For a truly authentic experience, dig into some black rye bread, a staple on every Lithuanian table, paired perfectly with butter and a slice of local cheese. And for dessert, treat yourself to a slice of sakotis, a deliciously sweet and layered cake. Lithuanian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and traditions that will leave your taste buds dancing. And there you have it, folks. So pack your bags and start planning your Lithuanian getaway today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels, dear friends.